Think about how many websites you've visited today. Maybe you checked your bank balance, ordered food, shopped online, read the news, booked a flight, or searched for information. Most of us spend hours online every single day without giving it much thought. Websites have become such a natural part of our daily lives that we rarely stop to consider everything that happens behind the scenes before they appear on our screens. But have you ever wondered what actually happens before a website goes live? Every successful website begins with a simple idea. Before a single line of code is written, teams spend time understanding the people who will use the website. They ask important questions. Who are the users? What information are they looking for? What actions should they be able to complete? What challenges might they face? This planning stage lays the foundation for everything that follows, because great websites don't happen by accident. They are carefully planned from the very beginning. Once the planning is complete, the design process begins. This is where ideas are transformed into visual experiences. Designers carefully select colors that represent the brand, choose typography that is easy to read, organize content into clear layouts, and create navigation that helps visitors move through the website effortlessly. Every button, image, icon, and page is designed with a purpose. Modern websites must also work beautifully across desktops, tablets, and smartphones, ensuring every visitor enjoys a consistent and user-friendly experience regardless of the device they use. After the design has been approved, developers begin bringing those designs to life. They build the structure of the website using modern web technologies, create interactive features, connect secure databases, and ensure that every function works exactly as intended. They develop user authentication systems, integrate payment gateways, optimize performance, and implement security measures to protect sensitive information. Behind every fast, responsive, and reliable website are thousands of carefully written lines of code working together seamlessly. But building the website is only part of the journey. Before launch, every feature must be thoroughly tested. Teams check whether the website works correctly on different browsers, operating systems, and screen sizes. They verify that every button, form, and link functions properly. They identify security vulnerabilities, fix performance issues, and ensure visitors can complete important tasks without confusion. Finally, launch day arrives. It's an exciting milestone for every business and development team. But launching a website is not the end of the project. It marks the beginning of a new phase. Businesses continuously monitor visitor behavior, website speed, customer feedback, and performance analytics to understand how users interact with their websites. Today's websites are far more than digital brochures. They process secure online payments, manage bookings and appointments, store customer information, connect with inventory systems, integrate with customer relationship management software, send automated emails, generate business reports, and provide valuable insights through data analytics. At Data Experts 360, we help organizations transform ideas into digital solutions. From websites and mobile applications to software development, quality assurance, artificial intelligence, and data analytics, our goal is simple: helping businesses make smarter decisions through technology. A great website is about much more than attractive visuals. It builds trust, strengthens relationships, solves real-world problems, and creates meaningful experiences for customers. In today's increasingly digital world, a well-designed website has become one of the most valuable assets a business can have, helping organizations connect with people, grow their brand, and achieve lasting success. Thank you for watching. Follow Data Experts 360 for more insights.